So nung nangyari na po yun at hindi na po namin alam kung sino kakausapin dahil nagkaipitan na sa loob ng kwarto ang bawat isa, ginamit natin Facebook. Ang sumagot po ay si Secretary ng Interior na si John Vic Remulla. Dumating siya, sabi niya, please allow the police inside. Nag-usap kami, sinabi niya, secure kagad, I'll be there in 10 minutes, secure the CCTV. Agad kong sinabi, kay as soon as nakaakyat na po si Sergeant at Arms Mao, sabi ko, secure the CCTV room, huwag niyong gagalawin. Pagdating ng mga police, make sure you have 2 copies, isa sa kanila, isa sa amin, para hindi po matamper. Yun din po pinag-uusapan ng ibang senador sa loob ng room. So nung sinabi po ni Jinggoy na itago, ang ibig niya sabihin, make sure walang makakuha kung hindi po yung police. At sinagot siya nun, kung tinuloy yung video na yon, may sumagot na nakasecure na po. As soon as Secretary Remulla came, the first thing he did was kamustahin kung okay kami, kung secured yung mga senador. Then tinanong yung CCTV and then nagpaalam kung pwede i-sweep floor by floor at pumasok yung iba pang pulis. Technically, I could have said it was under Senate jurisdiction. But he gave me his word and he followed his word that this will be a investigation that is independent. So dalawa po, joint investigation to.